Hello everyone, today I am going to show top 5 PC cases. Number 5, Phanteks Eclipse G500A, high airflow gaming chassis with ultrafine performance mesh on front and top that combines high airflow performance with excellent dust filtration. Integrated DRGB lighting on the front and side that is easy to control and can be expanded and or synced to a DRGB equipped motherboard. 3 high-performance M25-140 DRGB fans included. Ready for high-end cooling with up to 420 radiator support in front, 360 in the top, full-length GPUs and vertical GPU ready with the optional vertical GPU bracket. Number 4, Fractal Design Define 7 Nano. Compact yet spacious interior accommodates any Mini IDX and Mini DTX motherboard. Room for GPU up to 306mm with a 25mm front fan. Flexible storage option supporting one 3.5-inch drive and 3 2.5. Top panel effortlessly swaps from solid steel to filtered ventilation. New removable top panel design opens up to fully expose the case interior for effortless installation and cable routing. Silence optimized construction with industrial sound damped front, top, and side panels. Number 3, Cooler Master Cosmos C700M. Highly versatile layout. Graphics card mounting with riser cable. Argo lighting, expansion slots, 8. Extensive cable cover system. Versatile liquid cooling support. Number 2, NZXT-H710i. New features. Front I/O USB Type-C port, vertical GPU mount, tempered glass side panel with single screw installation, and upgraded Smart Device V2. Smart Device V2 includes a faster microprocessor for NZXT cam-powered control of 2 RGB lighting channels and 3 fan channels that support either voltage-regulated or PWM fans. Vertical GPU mounting. Show off your graphic card with a built-in mounting bracket for installing your GPU vertically * PCIe riser card not included. Enhanced cable management. Our patented cable routing kit with pre-installed channels and straps makes wiring easy and intuitive. Specs. Max GPU clearance, 413mm, radiator support front, 360mm, top, 360mm, rear, 140mm. Number 1, Corsair iCUE 5000T RGB. Make a lasting impression with the 5000T RGB's unique style, lit by an astonishing 208 individually addressable RGB LEDs, all with the clean design and builder-friendly features for which the 5000T series is renowned. With 160 RGB LEDs integrated into the front, roof, and floor panels, plus 48 LEDs in the included fans, you'll get vibrant, fully customizable RGB lighting from any angle, right out of the box. The 5000T RGB's distinctive contours and angular accents offer a unique look that no other case can match. Use the included iCUE Commander Core XT lighting and fan speed controller to control up to 6 PWM fans and dual lighting channels for multiple RGB components with powerful iCUE software that easily synchronizes all your Corsair iCUE RGB products. Includes 3 Corsair LL120 RGB fans with 16 individually addressable RGB LEDs per fan, controllable via PWM from 600 to 1500 RPM for powerful airflow and high-impact lighting.